Hello, everybody. Welcome back. So, we're going to talk about Arthur Hayes, and he warns of a massive crypto drop. And everything drop, to be quite honest. Does it seem like everything's staged at this point in the world? They're talking about food shortages and chip shortages and all kinds of other energy shortages. It seems like it's all being staged, set up for what they want next, right? Which is never good. Take a look at the WEF. So, Arthur Hayes warns massive global crash incoming. Here's his Bitcoin and crypto strategy. BitMEX founder and crypto veteran Arthur Hayes says there will be a certain point when he flips super bullish on the digital asset markets. In a new interview on Crypto Banter, Hayes says Bitcoin and other risk assets are likely to undergo a large correction before a real bull run happens. I think that Bitcoin has not truly escaped its correlation with global risk assets. It might have recently done quite well on this little bounce from 16,000 to 24,000, but I do think we're in store for a correlation 1 moment. By that I mean everything goes down massively together, Bitcoin included. Do I think it's going to break the lows of the FTX saga? No. Could it break 20,000? For sure. But I'm looking for another big leg down in Bitcoin to correspond with general risk markets, and then once that's finished, then I'm super bullish in the space, even if everything else is going to shit, because I believe in the response of what the monetary and fiscal authorities will do in another unpleasant situation. They'll hand out money to people and they'll print it. Yep. In a recent blog post, Hayes said that in the event Bitcoin and Ethereum continue their recent rally from bear market lows, the rest of the markets could vastly outperform, according to the crypto billionaire. Altcoins could go vertical on the back of a sustained BTC and ETH bull run. If Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to rally, there will definitely be a shitcoin vertical that goes bananas over the next few months. The key to shitcoining, oh my god, is understanding they go up and down in waves first. The crypto reserve assets rally, that is Bitcoin and Ethereum. The rally in these stalwarts eventually stalls, and then prices fall slightly. At the same time, the shitcoin complex stages an aggressive rally. The shitcoins rediscover gravity and interest shifts back to Bitcoin and Ethereum. And this stair-stepping process continues until the secular bull market ends. Pretty much makes sense, right? Alright, so that's his opinions, and I don't know if it's going to go up or down massively, but I do know the government does like to print money, and they print a lot of it, and that's our whole problem, right? I just wanted to interrupt the video to let everybody know about a Canadian exchange that I use personally. I will leave a link in the pinned comment below. Newton. It's a Canadian exchange, and when I need money into my bank account, I use Newton. And it's in my bank account before I can close the app. That's how quick this exchange works for you. The crypto trading platform that you can trust. I recommend it. I've used it. I have never had any issues with it. They have a lot of cryptocurrencies to choose from, and you're in and you're out. Easy crypto trading for Canadians. If you're looking to put money into your bank account quick, I highly suggest this. The waiting time could be up to 2 hours, but generally, every time I've done it, the money's in my bank account before I can close the app. Newton, a Canadian crypto exchange. Check it out in the pinned comment. Didn't these forefathers of the USA say do not let any central bank run your country? And what's the Federal Reserve? And the Federal Reserve cannot be audited, so you don't know what they're doing with your money, which is pretty disgusting. And other things that you find out that don't get audited, like Monsanto, government-backed, Hillary Clinton-backed, George Bush-backed, they were never audited for the safety of their product. And, oops, sorry about that. And I'm sure they made a lot of money off that company. If you can't be audited, you can't be in charge of risking people's health. These people need to be fired a long time ago. And you look at Hillary Clinton and all her stuff with the dossier, the Russian dossier. So it's been proven that she hired a lawyer who then talked to people that made things up, which turned out to be the FBI. Wow, right? And then came forth with information, years of research and investigation by Mueller's team and the FBI into it, millions of dollars. Like, what the hell? Just to find out, oh no, we can't find anything, nothing wrong. And then find out after that, another year or two later, oh, it was kind of like fake. It was made up. So these are our leaders. And nothing is done to Hillary Clinton, but they want anybody who they disagree with to be canceled, censored, or put in jail. But these are the ones committing the crime, right? It's like Ellen DeGeneres. They look like they're good people, but they're in the front and spotlight because they're the most ruthless people. It's disgusting. They've been getting away with this for too long. Joe Biden, I've heard him use the N-word. I've heard him say we already have one N uppity mayor. We don't need another one. Like, what the hell kind of thing is that to say? And that dude is president. Whoa. Whoa. Like, dropping N bombs and saying we don't need any more of them in government or in positions of power. We already have one uppity one. Let that sink in. And also, I've seen video of Biden where he said he was going to withhold aid. This was a few years ago. He was going to withhold aid to Ukraine. I think this is when he was vice president. I believe so. He was going to withhold aid to Ukraine if they didn't stop looking into his corruption. The prosecutor over there was looking into Joe Biden's corruption over there, and pretty much he said, well, Biden said, if you don't stop that investigation into my corruption, I'm not going to give you the $1 billion in aid. And they kind of said, blah, blah, blah. And Biden said, hey, I'll just talk to the big guy, meaning Obama, and we'll just cancel that. So that's how that went. So the prosecutor got fired and Ukraine got their $1 billion. Unreal. So Joe Biden, career criminal. Career criminal. All right, everybody. Thanks for listening to these little rants. Hopefully it's a little bit of information for some of you. This is the Crypto Realm. Play hard, trade smart.